Today we are going to learn about mastering Pandas Series Indexing techniques. We will explore advanced indexing methods to enhance your data processing workflows, focusing on skills necessary for efficient data manipulation and analysis. Welcome to our video on mastering Pandas Series Indexing techniques. Indexing is a fundamental aspect of data manipulation in Pandas, and mastering it can significantly enhance your data processing workflows. In this video, we will explore how to efficiently access and modify data in Pandas series using advanced indexing methods. We'll cover topics ranging from basic indexing to more complex scenarios involving multi-indexes, conditional selections, and performance optimization. Whether you're handling large datasets or performing intricate data analysis, these skills will empower you to work more effectively with your data. In this block, we delve into the basics of Pandas series indexing. A Pandas series is a one-dimensional array-like structure with labeled indices, and understanding how to manipulate these indices is key to efficient data handling. Indexing allows you to access data elements directly using their position or label. In Pandas, you can perform both positional and label-based indexing. Positional indexing uses integer positions, while label-based indexing uses the labels assigned to data entries. We will cover how to access data using indexes and the importance of selecting the right indexing method based on your data structure. We'll also look at some basic examples and syntax to get you started.
Loc and iloc are two primary methods for accessing data in Pandas series. Loc is used for label-based indexing, which means you can access data elements using the labels defined in the series index. On the other hand, iloc is used for position-based indexing, allowing you to access elements based on their integer position. Understanding the differences and similarities between these two methods is crucial for efficient data manipulation. We'll explore their syntax and provide usage examples, demonstrating how to access single and multiple elements in a series. You'll also learn about practical applications of loc and iloc in real-world scenarios, helping you determine when to use each method effectively.
Boolean indexing is a powerful technique for selecting data in Pandas series based on specific conditions. It allows you to filter data using logical operators, making it possible to perform complex conditional selections. In this segment, we'll introduce Boolean indexing and discuss how to use it for conditional data selection. We'll cover the syntax and how logical operators like AND, vertical bar, and tilde can be used to construct conditions. Boolean indexing is particularly useful for filtering datasets, and we'll provide real-world examples to demonstrate its practical application. By the end of this section, you'll be able to efficiently filter and manipulate data in Pandas series using Boolean conditions.
Multi-indexing in Pandas series allows for complex hierarchical data representation, enabling you to manage multi-dimensional data within a one-dimensional structure. This technique is particularly useful when dealing with datasets that have multiple levels of categorical data. In this block, we will explore the concept of multi-indexes, how to create them, and how to access data within a multi-index series. We'll discuss the advantages of using multi-indexing for organizing and analyzing data efficiently. You'll also see examples of multi-index scenarios, illustrating the potential of this technique in real-world data analysis tasks. By mastering multi-indexing, you'll be equipped to handle more intricate data structures with ease. Setting and resetting indexes is a crucial part of data management in Pandas series. Proper index management can greatly impact how data is organized and accessed. In this section, we'll discuss the importance of setting indexes and demonstrate how to set and reset them effectively. We'll explore the impact of indexes on data organization and provide best practices for managing indexes in your data workflows. You'll learn how to use the set_index and reset_index methods, along with practical examples and use cases to illustrate when and why to modify indexes. By the end of this block, you'll have a solid understanding of index management and its role in optimizing data manipulation.
Missing data is a common challenge in data analysis, and handling it effectively is essential for accurate results. Pandas provides various tools and techniques for identifying and addressing missing values in series. In this segment, we'll explore how to use indexing to handle missing data. We'll discuss methods for identifying missing values, such as using isNull and notNull functions. Additionally, we'll cover techniques for data cleaning and imputation, including using FILNA and interpolate methods. Understanding how to handle missing data is crucial for maintaining data integrity and ensuring reliable analysis. We'll provide examples of missing data scenarios and demonstrate how indexing techniques can be applied to address them.
Optimizing performance is crucial when working with large datasets in Pandas. Efficient indexing can significantly improve the speed and responsiveness of data operations. In this block, we will discuss the importance of performance optimization and explore techniques for faster indexing. We'll cover strategies for memory management, such as using appropriate data types and avoiding unnecessary copies. Additionally, we'll introduce profiling and debugging tools that help identify bottlenecks in your code. By implementing these optimization tips, you'll be able to handle larger datasets efficiently and improve the overall performance of your data processing workflows. We'll provide examples of performance improvements and demonstrate how these techniques can make a real difference.
To fully appreciate the power of Pandas series indexing, it's essential to see how these techniques are applied in real-world scenarios. In this segment, we'll explore complex indexing scenarios and provide case studies that illustrate advanced applications. You'll see how multiple indexing techniques can be combined to solve challenging data manipulation problems. We'll discuss solutions to real-world issues, such as handling large, multidimensional datasets and performing intricate data analysis tasks. These practical examples will help you understand how to apply what you've learned to your own data projects. By studying these complex scenarios, you'll gain valuable insights into the versatility and power of Pandas Series Indexing. As we conclude our exploration of Pandas Series Indexing techniques, let's recap the key points we've covered. We've discussed the basics of indexing, delved into advanced techniques like iloc, and Boolean indexing, and explored the use of multi-indexes. We've also addressed handling missing data and optimizing performance for large datasets. Mastering these indexing techniques is crucial for effective data manipulation and analysis. By enhancing your skills in this area, you'll be better equipped to tackle real-world data challenges. Remember, continuous learning and practice are essential for staying proficient. Thank you for joining us on this journey to master Pandas Series Indexing.